Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the right graph for limits is tricky, but we will solve this fast. We need where both side limits exist but differ. For the general limit to fail while one-sided limits exist, the graph must approach two different finite values from the left and right sides. This creates a jump at that point. Looking at graph A, the left-hand limit and right-hand limit clearly approach different heights as x gets close to 2. Both values are finite, so they definitely exist for this function. Since these values are not equal, the overall limit does not exist. This matches our requirements, making option A the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given and check steps.